till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around, can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride.
Welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, I have now here on the table two pieces of, I can say, legendary German or East German full-range speakers, RFT L2659 PBO from 60s. They were mounted in a huge quantity of types of vacuum tube radios, and I must say they were produced in 60s, around mid 60s, and for their age, we have now 2025, so they are 60 years old, and for their age they look, I must say, like new ones. It's incredible. Oh, incredible. They were mounted in tube radios behind the covers, so there were only a little dust on them, but both pieces incredible nice. So they can be used as a spare speakers in such a tube radio, or they can be used also for do-it-yourself full-range boxes, because the sound is for my ears incredible good. So let's try them. At first the left one. Right one. So I love such a speakers, and as it is usual, they are for sale, so you can find them later on my website Angelicaaudio CZ on the page Fullrange speakers. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing our YouTube channel, and if you like our videos, you can also join our channel. So thank you and have a nice day.